Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So now we are in the part 3 of firewall alerts. Now we are going to move to the alerts lab. So here is the alerts lab. Those who are watching for the first time, those who don't know how to access the lab, we have provided the link in the description so that you can directly access from there itself. And now we are moving into the firewall alerts. Last class, we have discussed that a user has connected to the port 8000. So we found it as false positive. And today we are going to discuss about a host is connecting to the high risk applications. By mean, a host is trying to connect a malicious application which is having malicious content. Maybe it may be adware proxy is going to download some torrent applications, etc., etc. So the category of this is malicious application, and this alerts indicates that firewall device has identified use of potentially high risk application within the enterprise environment, such as torrent clients. Now we are going to see the rule. So here the title we know and author is admin only. Description we have studied. Condition selection. In the selection they have mentioned network application contains either torrent or proxy or exe file download or emule file P2P or AREFs. These types of files, it should trigger alert, as well as it if it is having HTTP underscore HTTPS proxy. This proxy is legitimate proxy. This proxy is open source proxy. Okay. So the product is Sophos Firewall. It is firewall related alert. Now, moving forward, we are going to discuss what type of data was triggered on this alert. Click on view alert data, just scroll up. Now we can see destination bytes 264. Destination IP we got, it's a public server, and packets has been 3 packets transferred on the port 80. Port 80 is nothing but uh, not a secured website. Okay. Event action. Some event action allowed, and event category is a traffic kind of alert. Palo Alto, and host IP. This is the host IP, and host IP is the router IP or firewall IP. Firewall. We can say it firewall IP, not router. Okay, sorry for that. This is the host name, and log type is a Palo Alto, and network application is a BitTorrent. BitTorrent, and network bytes is 264, and network packets are 3. Kerberos protocol, UDP, observer type firewall, vendor firewall, source bytes 0, and Source IP is this, it's a private IP, source NAT IP, etc. etc. For this alert, what we need to do? We are having user connected to a port 88, which is not secure website, to a BitTorrent. Now we need to see what is a BitTorrent application. Okay, let's move into the next tab to get to know what is BitTorrent. What is BitTorrent? So I'll clear here. So BitTorrent is an application that P2P transactions, like peer-to-peer protocol, which used to share files over the internet to another user. User one is trying to share files through internet publicly to the user too. Like some websites are free to share large or huge number of files. There is a policy in industries or organizations. Internal files should not transfer external entities. So at this time, user tried to connect 80. It's a website which is called BitTorrent. Firewall has triggered the alert. Just a second, guys. Now we got to know that source IP, a user tried to connect from the organization to external public. He wanted to transfer the files, but the firewall here triggered the alert. Okay, the source bytes. Source is here. He unable to transfer files due to some protocols. Due to this, connection is established, but firewall has stopped the files to the external entity. We can see firewall having rules that should not allow any files outside the organization. If we want to, in some cases, if we wanted to transfer a file from this organization to this organization via internet, you are having this firewall, they are having that firewall, they will directly transfer, because in this firewall they will whitelist the IP. At this moment, files will be transferred from both the ends, and we can say directly user tried to upload or transfer files or download the files from external entity, or he wanted to send some files as from internet. Firewall blocked the files. Now that's why source bytes is 0. Transaction does not happen. We can directly say it is false positive. Okay. So now we'll write dismiss comment. Okay. So we'll close these two. the investigation. They have observed that user tried to transfer or download the files from the internet, but firewall stop the traffic. So hence is a false positive. Like this, we can do investigation. Not only this alert, we can do so many alerts. In future, we are going to release paid version alerts. So there, some more features we are going to show, and now we are going to dismiss this alert. In the next class, we are going to discuss about Azure alerts. In these three alerts, next three classes, we are going to discuss these three alerts. So stay tuned for the next update. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is all of free content you cannot get over the internet, over the YouTube itself. Please learn these type of knowledge, which is industry having knowledge. Okay. Thanks for joining. Signing off. Black Hat Commando.